Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to factory reset the original messaging application on your phone. It is a very easy method, and it will not delete any data or messages from the application. So if you want to perform a reset of the messaging application on your phone, follow this video to the end first. For credibility, so that you know that this process will not delete any messages for you, we enter our messages application. As you can see, these are the messages that I have, and when I do the process, the messages will remain the same, but we will have done a factory reset of the messages application. Let us begin the explanation. First, we go to the settings. Then we go to applications. After that, we click on applications. Then we search here among the applications that we have for the messages application, or we type in the application's search engine. We write messages, and the default original messaging application that is on the phone will appear to us. Then we click on it. After that we click on storage. Then we click on clear data, and do not worry, it will not delete any messages for you. Now after pressing clear data, we return to the messages application, then click on it, then give it the powers it needs. After that, the application interface will open for us, and as you can see, nothing was deleted. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it. If you benefit from any problems, any inquiries or any suggestions, write them in the comments. Goodbye.